There are four main types of muscle contraction. These consist of isometric, concentric, eccentric, and isokinetic contraction. Firstly, isometric contraction is where the muscle stays the same length and at the same joint, and the joint angle stays in the same position. This happens throughout the whole contraction where the muscle stays the same length. A sporting example of this could be the downward action of a bicep curl, or when a gymnast is holding themselves up on rings. Concentric contraction is a type of muscle contraction that causes tension on your muscle as it shortens. As your muscle shortens, it generates enough force to move the object. This is the most common type of muscle contraction. It is seen often in weight training bicep curls, and this movement is where the muscle will shorten instead of staying the same length, and will be in the upward phase of a bicep curl. Another muscle contraction is eccentric contraction. This is where the muscle lengthens during the contraction. This is the case for many different examples, such as running down stairs, lowering weights, and downward motions of push-ups and squats. All of those are examples of eccentric contractions, as they consist of the muscle lengthening, as opposed to the other two. And finally, an isokinetic muscle contraction is also where the muscle shortens, just like concentric contraction. However, this will do it for a consistent rate of speed, which means that, say, if you were doing a bicep curl, this would be the upward phase again, but it means the contraction happens for the same amount of time on every rep, making it isokinetic contraction.